All right, folks. These are those little knobs from the Cuda, same as the Challenger, using the Testor paint. All right, I'm going to do the blue. I'm going to show it to you. Okay, here's a little wooden bamboo skewers with a nice little point on them. Okay, clean up the knob as well as you can. Actually use the skewer to get all the dirt out of there. Okay, cleaned it all up. Make sure it dried. And now we're going to do the blue. Have a couple of paper towels around you, little ones, big ones, just in case you make a little mess. Okay, and we're going to start. I usually start away from the arrow. So I'm going to do the tail end. 1, 2, 3 drops of paint is what I'm going to do with it. All right, so let's try it. Let's wing it. Not a lot of paint. Okay, you don't really need that much. Gotta have a steady hand, of course. Drop it right in there. And you can spread it, see it? Another one. Not a lot of paint. Sometimes I put some of it back. Same thing, drop it. Put a third in. Now the arrow. It's gonna use a little bit more. Same thing, not a lot, because the arrow is really not, crazy big. Drop in the arrow. I'm gonna drag it down. Okay. Fill up the arrow. Drag it down. And it's pretty much filled. Now we go into the wiping process. All right, so I'm gonna wipe the top off. Just be very careful, because the paint is actually in the groove. So you'll be okay with it, okay? See, when you wipe it, you're wiping just the top part, okay? Don't keep reusing the same towel. Get another one. Because what happens if you happen to grab some of the old paint, you're gonna drag that little sucker around. All right? Just like that. There you go. Okay, a little bit more here. Like a little bit more crispy. There you go. Look at that. All right. It was done pretty quick. Nice little groove. Right into the arrow. No harm, no foul. Beautiful. Okay? Take your time. Practice makes perfect. Look how fast we got that done. Right now, we're just gonna let it dry. Then we're gonna put it back. This one goes on my 70 convertible. The other one was my 71 Cuda. 340 shaker. All right, that's it. Testor paints. Good stuff. Hey, you know what? Clean up after yourself. I'm gonna clean the top here off. God knows I'm ever gonna use this again. Like I said, this is called sky blue. And this one is light yellow. That's the color on it. Gloss light yellow. That's what this one is for the yellow. All right, same thing. Wipe it nice and clean. You never know when you're going to use it again. And of course, I use the white for the headlight switch, the little dot. All right, that's it. We're done. Thanks for watching. Ciao.